This video is about leukemia. Leukemia is a malignant disorder characterized by the uncontrolled clonal expansion of hematopoietic stem cells or progenitor cells due to the accumulation of somatic mutations. We can see with the help of this diagram on the left side, we have the normal hematopoiesis. In a healthy individual, hematopoietic stem cells present in the bone marrow divide in a regulated manner and differentiate into mature blood cells. These include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, all produced in balanced numbers to maintain normal blood function. Whereas on the right side, we see what happens in leukemia. Here a somatic mutation occurs in a hematopoietic stem cell or progenitor cell. This mutated cell starts dividing uncontrollably, leading to clonal expansion. As a result, there is accumulation of immature leukemic blast cells. Now let's look at the genetic drivers of leukemia. Leukemia generally follows the two-hit hypothesis. This means that two cooperating genetic lesions are required for the development of leukemia. These genetic changes together disrupt both proliferation and differentiation of hematopoietic cells. And in this two-hit hypothesis, we get two classes of mutations. First is the class 1 mutation. We see class 1 mutations provide a proliferative and survival advantage to the cell. These mutations cause the cell to divide rapidly and uncontrollably. Common examples of class 1 mutations include RAS, FLT3, and KIT. Second is the class 2 mutation. Class 2 mutations mainly impair normal hematopoietic differentiation. These mutations affect transcription factors or chromatin regulators, preventing stem or progenitor cells from maturing into functional blood cells. Examples of these class 2 mutations include PML, RARA, and RUNX1. Now let's move on to another diagram that puts both the hits together. That's two-hit hypothesis. Hit 1, that's class 1 mutation. It causes disrupted proliferation. Cells divide uncontrollably. Then we have hit 2. That's class 2 mutation. It causes disrupted differentiation. Cells fail to mature here. When both of these hits occur together in the same cell lineage, the result is leukemia. As you can see at the bottom, this leads to a massive accumulation of immature leukemic blast cells. Now let's see the basic classification of leukemia. It's based on progression of speed and based on the cell type affected. So we have two classes here. First, let's get to the progression speed. Based on the progression speed, it's divided into acute and chronic, and acute is further divided into ALL and AML. ALL is acute lymphoblastic leukemia, AML is acute myeloid leukemia. Whereas the chronic leukemias is divided into two, CLL and CML. CLL is chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CML is chronic myeloid leukemia. Now getting to cell type affected, where we have got two types, lymphocytic and myeloid. So this is the basic overlook of classification of leukemia. And this is what leukemia is, its genetic drivers, and this basic classification. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do consider supporting my work on Patreon or YouTube, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.